Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to discuss the topic interference on West-Shaped film. In previous lecture, we discussed interference in thin film. Dear student, in previous lecture we already discussed the definition of interference and types of interference. Types of interference means interference are two types: interference due to division of wavelength and interference due to division of amplitude. In our syllabus, interference due to division of wavefront, two topics. First one we discussed interference due to parallel thin film. Next one we are going to discuss interference in West-Shaped. This is the topic interference due to division of wavefront. In next topic we discuss interference due to division of amplitude. In this topic we discuss Newton's ring experiment. Dear student, as we all know, when the light propagates through the medium, it follows a certain law. What are the law? Rectilinear propagation of light. Law of refraction means incident angle is equal to angle of reflection. And third one is law of refraction means mu is equal to sin I by sin r. Let's all know the fundamental of the light wave. Let us now going to discuss the interference in West-Shaped film. This is all about the introduction. Next we are going to calculate the path difference. We all know path difference is responsible for the maxima and minima. First of all, we discuss the diagram. Dear student, it is the explanation of the diagram. First one, we discuss the diagram. I request all the students, please make the diagram. Okay, or simultaneously we can do it. Dear student, here two film at an angle alpha. What happened? The here refractive index is mu and thickness is t. What happened here? The light ray fall on the upper surface of the film at point P. At point B, it is split up to two parts. First one is reflected and second one is refracted. Here we know as the law of refraction, this angle and this angle is equal to C, means I. Dear student, what happened? Law of refraction, it means it refracted at angle I. At the bottom portion of the C, it reflected and emerged out along the direction dr1. Dear student, dbr and dr1 are obtained from the same incident ray AB, therefore they are coherent. Dear student, let us now going to calculate the path difference between two rays. For that purpose, we make a certain geometrical exercises here. What, dear student, what happened? Here, this is the angle of refraction. At the bottom portion, it reflected, emerged out this. We all know two normals meet at a point Q. The angle is same. What is the angle of which? It means its angle is alpha. Dear student, this angle is R. This is alpha. Dear student, what is the angle? This one is pi minus R plus alpha. Then what is this angle? This angle is total pi and this angle is pi minus R plus theta. Then this angle is R plus theta. Dear student, then this angle is R plus theta, then it reflected along direction this. Obviously this angle is also R plus theta. Next, our exercise is, this light is back, imaginary light we put on to back side. Draw the normal from here. It means at point P. Dear student, two parallel lines cut here, it means it is R plus theta and it is also R plus theta. Then this is also opposite angle is R plus theta. Then what happened here? Let us now going to calculate the path difference between two rays. For that we know it, delta path travel in the medium BC plus CD minus BF. Dear student, we know we can calculate the path when path is same. Then we know mu is equal to air by medium, then multiplied by medium. Then mu BC plus CD is equal to minus BF. Dear student, let us now calculate the BC, CD and BF. After that we calculate the path difference. Then what happened here? Mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Mu is equal to sin I by sin R. It means we calculate the value of sin I from triangle BDF. Means triangle BDF. From here sin I is equal to, from diagram we know, BF upon BD. Here sin R is equal to B upon BD. Substituting these value in this equation, mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Here substituting the value, we know BF is equal to mu BE. We substituting these value in equation 1. Then what happened? BC plus CD, mu minus mu BE. From the diagram we know it. What we put the value of BC? BC is equal to see here BE plus EC. Dear student, we substitute the value of BC from above equation. It means BC here BE plus EC plus CD minus BE. Dear student, BE and BE cancel. Then what happened? Mu EC plus CD. This is the net path difference. Net path difference is delta is equal to mu EC plus CD. Dear student, let us now going to calculate the value of CD and EC. How will work? Then we next go and refer to our diagram. Consider the triangle BQC. In triangle BQC, angle B is 90 degree. We know that. And angle Q is alpha degree. Then angle C is R plus alpha. Let us now going to take the triangle DNC. Then angle N is equal to 90 degree. See, then what happened? Angle C is equal to 90 minus R plus theta. Obviously triangle sum is 180 degree, then angle D becomes R plus alpha. Now let's consider triangle DPC. Triangle C is equal to 80 minus twice R plus theta. Then angle D is equal to R plus theta, and then angle P is equal to R plus theta. Dear student, from triangle DNC and DPN we know triangle D is equal to triangle P, triangle N is equal to triangle L, and NC is common. It means the triangle DNC and PNC are congruent. Congruent means DN is equal to NP and CD is equal to CP. NC is common. From above equation we substitute the value of CD. CD is CP. Here we written EC plus CP. It becomes from the diagram mu EP. Let us now going to calculate the value of EP. Dear student, what is the value of EP? From the diagram we take the triangle EP. We calculate the triangle DEP from the diagram EDP. EDP we takes cos R plus theta, means P plus PD. Dear student, DP is twice T. Then P is equal to twice T cos R plus theta. Dear student, then delta is equal to twice T mu cos R plus theta. We found the net path difference delta is equal to twice mu t cos r plus theta. We already know, according to Stokes' law, when the light ray change its medium from rarer to denser or denser to rarer medium, they occurs additional path difference lambda by 2 or phase difference pi. Then net path difference becomes twice mu t cos r plus theta plus lambda by 2. Dear student, as we all know, for maxima it is even multiple of half wavelength of light use, means twice n lambda by 2. Twice 2 and 2 cancel, then it becomes twice mu t cos r plus theta plus lambda by 2 is equal to n lambda, where the value of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Dear student, and what happened for the dark fringe or minima? Twice n plus 1 lambda by 2, then twice mu t cos r plus theta plus lambda by 2 is equal to twice n plus 1 lambda by 2. Dear student, this all about interference in West-Sheff film. In next term, we discuss interference due to division of amplitude. Dear student, in this topic we discuss Newton's ring experiment and calculated path difference, wavelength, etc. My humble request to all of students, kindly listen the topic and make a diagram and practices, because practice makes man perfect. Okay, best of luck.